everyone, Eric Anderson here. I'm a product advisor from Birchwood Chevrolet Buick GMC, and today we're going to be answering some questions from the web. What kind of features can I customize in a factory ordered vehicle? Well, you can customize anything from the exterior color to the interior color, specific options you may want like blind spot monitoring, heated seats, and 360 camera, all of those things. Are there any potential cost savings associated with factory orders? Yes, you can customize everything on the vehicle, therefore you can leave out some features that you don't specifically want, and it'll end up saving you money. When is payment due for the factory ordered vehicle? Well, payment is due for the factory ordered vehicle when you pick up the vehicle at delivery time. We do normally take a deposit though when you place your order for the vehicle. Once again, everyone, it's Eric Anderson here from Birchwood Chevrolet Buick GMC. I'm a product advisor. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our store with a DM or text me on my cell phone number 204-408-1618.